You know the numbers, but do you know the score? When you want to know what's going on inside your body, one of the most important health scores to know is your life score, the measurement of antioxidant activity in your skin. Your health is under constant attack from free radicals, which cause oxidative stress. Hectic workaday lifestyles combined with increased levels of pollution and UV radiation from the sun, as well as poor health practices like smoking, higher BMIs, and lack of sleep all increase the number of free radicals that your body has to contend with. Free radicals are rogue molecules that steal electrons from healthy, stable molecules. This theft damages and can even kill the cells of your body. As this damage accumulates, your health and wellness suffer. To win this health battle with free radicals, your body needs antioxidants. Antioxidants render free radicals harmless, helping to prevent oxidative damage, which can accelerate the aging process and contribute to the development of different diseases. Your body can produce some antioxidants, but it relies primarily on your diet to get the antioxidants it needs. Eating vibrantly colored fruits and vegetables provides your body with powerful phytonutrients and antioxidants such as carotenoids and flavonoids. Yet, despite the importance of antioxidants to health and wellness, most people just don't eat enough fruits and vegetables to build up a strong antioxidant defense. That's why knowing your body's antioxidant activity, or your life score, is vital. You can find out just how strong your antioxidant defenses are with a technology called reflection spectroscopy. Reflection spectroscopy is the same technology that scientists use to find out what the rings of Saturn are made of and what the atmosphere of Neptune is like. Dr. Werner Gellerman and a team of physicists at the University of Utah developed a method of using reflection spectroscopy to detect antioxidants in your body. Dr. Gellerman and his team discovered that by using light, they could measure antioxidant levels in human skin. When the light hits an antioxidant in your skin, it's reflected back. The spectrometer detects and measures the backscattered light, creating a score of the antioxidants present. The more antioxidants in your skin, the higher your score. In partnership with Dr. Gellerman, Monavie has utilized this exclusive and patented technology to create the View Monavie Antioxidant Scanner. Monavie is the only company that offers LifeScore. With Monavie View, you'll have real, tangible proof that Monavie View certified products are delivering the antioxidants your body needs. Whether you're drinking Monavie's powerful antioxidant-rich health juices or the nutrient-dense Reveal Nutrition Shakes, you can prove the goodness of Monavie's products at no risk. Monavie View certified products come with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't see an improvement in your life score, you'll get your money back. Not only can you improve your life score with the Monavie View Antioxidant Scanner, you can also increase the success of your business. With View, you have the opportunity to earn more income, sell more products, recruit more prospects, and positively impact more people's lives. You've got all the numbers. Now find out why Monavie is the home of the winning score. Get a view of your health and wellness today.